If you are ready to take your life back this year, have less overwhelm, or maybe you're just here because you love my videos and having an online cheerleader, this is the place for you. I've got a 5-minute little tip for you today. It's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and it's also going to help you to declutter faster if that is your end goal. And I'm going to do it with you, so let's dive in. Diane and Denmark here, little secret for you. The secret to having a tidy home and to feeling like you're in charge of things, not being overwhelmed. The secret to that is to be found in your everyday habits, in the little things that we do every day. And that's what we're going to be doing at the start of this year. I'm leading you through some little challenges. And today I've got a 5-minute tip. As I said, I'll be doing it with you, just 5 minutes. And you're going to see how this small change is going to help you for the rest of this year. We're going to save money, we're going to save time, we'll be able to declutter faster and easier. So let's get straight into it. Drum roll please. What we're going to do today, you and me, you're not just going to sit there watching, you're going to do it with me. We're going to turn around all the hangers. The hangers in my wardrobe, I put them in like that. At the beginning of the year, we're going to turn them around the other way. And what that does is whenever you wear something and you wash it and you put it back in the wardrobe, you'll be able to see what you are wearing, what you aren't wearing. Also, it helps us to stop buying more things because we can see at a glance what we've got. And most of my items have been worn. Some haven't been worn recently, and we're not worrying about that. We're fresh slate, 2025, fresh slate. So I'm just going to start at this side and I'm going to turn them all. Do you see? I'm going to turn them all that way with the hanger coming out that way. That's all I'm doing. A couple of jackets here that haven't been worn. That's fine. We're just going to do the same thing. So all the hangers are going this way. Okay. And I hope somebody's timing this. And you can see that I have my things set up by colour because I like to see all my reds together, all my pinks together. And if you've been following my wardrobe videos, you will know that this year I have pared down my colours. Look at all that space. You know what? If you feel like you can't declutter things, you've got clothes everywhere. I had clothes all over the house, in the kids' room, in the basement. And look at that, they all fit in here now. So this year I have pared down to white, navy blue, aqua blue, and then red and pink. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. I think I got them all there. Okay, look at that. So all the hangers on the top shelf are now hanging the other way. Here we go. And as I said to you, it only takes 5 minutes at the beginning of the year, but you're going to see such a big difference as we move forward. And I'll be giving you more tips. Okay, all these ones have actually been worn recently. Just turn them around like that. Okay. And as I said, it's just a fresh start. Okay, so don't beat yourself up if you're already seeing things that you think, oh, I should have decluttered that. We'll get to it. We're just turning around the hangers today because I think all too often we think, oh, it's going to take so much time. This is a 5-minute tip that is going to pay off big time the rest of the year. Right, how are you doing? Are you working along with me? Because I want you, up and off your bahookie. Okay, a few more down here for me. We're in the final straight. And you'll see I do have mine done by colour. Here's all my blues. Turn them all around, all my blues. But at one end of the wardrobe here, you can see the colours are mixed up. And why is that, Diane? I shall tell you. It's because I like to put my outfits together. I put a few outfits together so that if things are really, really busy, I can just grab an outfit and go. Oh, those are good. Those are already the wrong way. And also at this end, whenever I find an item that I haven't worn it for a while, I'm not sure about it, then I put it on probation. And what does that mean? It means that I make myself wear it, obviously not with anything that's out of season, because as soon as I wear something, I get a very good hit immediately of, oh, that works for me, or oh, I've been avoiding it, but actually I quite like it. Right, all these ones I've actually worn recently. And you'll see that also with my wardrobe, I have a lot of things with short sleeves or no sleeves because I like to layer up and down. I am in Denmark, we've got 4 very distinct seasons. Right, and these were things that I was planning to wear soon. There we go. You'll see these in the next YouTube videos that I'm making. There we are. And if you find anything that is very seasonal, what you might want to do with that, you know, if you're in the southern hemisphere and you've got winter stuff, don't worry about that. Just maybe put those to one side of the wardrobe. We're not doing any decluttering yet, but just maybe move that to the side. Wow, 5 minutes and we're back in charge. Remember to like and subscribe. I've got lots of helpful videos coming up the next few weeks. We are really going to make big improvements by doing small tasks together. Just 5 minutes. Look how easy that was. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with the ra, ra, ra. Okay, bye for now.